When you're dealing with really specific business problems, using general prompts can result in surface-level insights. The AI's responses might not have the depth and nuance you need for tricky situations because it doesn't have the right kind of expertise. With role and persona-based prompting in devs.ai, you can get specialized perspectives that change generic outputs into expert insights that are perfect for what you need. Prompting effectively means giving the AI a clear framework so it can process information and give you the results you want. Devs.ai is great for this when you give it detailed instructions and information. The basis of successful role prompting is giving clear, contextual roles. Here's a template to get us started. Let's walk through another concrete example together. Notice how this example doesn't just name a role, but establishes specific expertise parameters and contextual experience. This level of detail activates a far more specialized knowledge framework in devs.ai than simply saying, act as a marketing expert. For truly expert-level responses, develop comprehensive persona specifications. Let's explore this with a detailed financial analysis example. In this example, we're looking for someone who knows their stuff when it comes to finances, and we're also giving devs.ai a framework for how to think about money questions. Each detail adds a new layer to the persona, so the answers sound like they're coming from someone who's analytical, communicates in a certain way, and has specific professional values. Role-play-based prompting can help you with specific scenarios such as, let me illustrate how this works with a healthcare compliance example. This shows how to figure out when you need specific knowledge and how to ask for the exact expertise that'll be most helpful. By setting the scene, you help devs.ai understand not only what role to play, but also why that specific expertise is important for what you're doing. Prompting different personas to get unique perspectives on a topic can be super helpful. Let's see this framework applied to a product launch scenario. Here, devs.ai acts like different experts, one after the other, to give us a full picture that one point of view couldn't. We tell it to watch out for each role's possible biases and disagreements. This way, we get a smarter look on how different teams might see the same thing in their own way. All right, so here's how to put it all together. This prompt makes the AI act like a really experienced sustainability leader and walks it through a step-by-step thinking process for a specific business problem. The result won't just be basic info about being green, but it'll have the smarts, the way of doing things, and the big picture thinking of someone who's been a chief sustainability officer for a while. Role-based prompting can also optimize how information is presented to different audiences. This shows how you can use prompting based on roles and understanding your audience to make content that works for different people but still has smart insights. Prompting with roles and personas in devs.ai really changes how you get specialized knowledge from AI. By creating detailed expert profiles, knowing when to tap into that specialized knowledge, and trying out different perspectives, you'll get insights that are just as good as those from domain experts, all while staying in control of the analysis. Think of devs.ai as having a whole team of experts ready to help you tackle through business problems with really insightful solutions.